My name is Brea Fuller. I started in the MA program about 9 months ago. It has been great. You get a full lab here. Everyone here is really willing to help you learn, because when you come in, there's already students that have already taken the program and have been in there longer, so you can learn from them as well as learn from the teacher. While my time here, I also helped with the marketing team, so I went and did a little bit of recruiting. I showed some people about what we do here. I also took some pictures for the program, and that made my time go by a lot faster, I feel like, and it helped me get my name out there, helped me understand what it looks like in the real world as an MA. And so right now I actually do have a job offer, so I'm really excited to start with that program, and I'll be doing basically everything that I've learned here at this program. And in the real world, you'll see everything that you use here out there.